So this what happened. So yesterday, remember we did the analysis on gold. So at this point, we had an hidden divergence at this point, and that's why the market dropped the way it dropped at this point. When we did the analysis, that's what we said. We have hidden divergence, but I was saying I was not expecting it to drop all the way down. So that's why this market dropped because of hidden divergence. So when it dropped, it formed hidden divergence on 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, it formed hidden divergence, but that on the same zone, we have RPS. Resistance becomes support. So then at the same time, this point right here, we have hidden divergence. This is what we had, this hidden divergence. And here, we have RPS. Resistance becomes support. So the market at this point, it retraced back. So when it does retrace back, right now, it's almost a few minutes to London session. We can see on 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, the market, it has already rejected on EMA 50. And you can see we have hidden divergence too at this point. We have hidden divergence at this point. We have higher high, and then we have lower high. So we have higher lows this way. So this hidden divergence. So that's why the market, I was speculating that the market at this zone right here, at this point, at this zone right here, where we have EMA 50 and we have a supply zone, it's going to drop. So when it's going to drop from this zone, and if it fails that zone, it's going to come to this zone up here. So if in London session, I was expecting this zone, the market to respect this zone, then it will drop to this zone right here on the neckline. This is the neckline. Because we have a double bottom breakout, then we have a neckline, and if you go to 15-minute time frame, you can see a fresh demand on the same zone, of which we have SNR C1 setup. So I'm expecting this market to drop up to this point. In H1 time frame, I'm expecting this one, the stochastic oscillator, by that time, it will be down here. So by the time it drops, the stochastic oscillator, it will be down here, and it will form divergence, hidden divergence. So this one I'm expecting, I'm watching it on New York session. So during New York session, this way I'm expecting. So if it's from London session, comes back to New York session to this point, then it will shoot up. But if it does not come to this zone, it will continue dropping down. So again, if it fails these two zones, it will just continue dropping down. So number one, just take divergence. Just let it be easy. Don't complicate it. Just look for divergence. Look if we have a supply on the same zone or a demand on the same zone, because that supports that entry. And again, use a higher time frame to look for a trend before you enter. So here, you just enter your trade here. You put the stop loss that you put a few pips above it. So you just entry few pips above it. If it fails, if it hits the stop loss, you wait for the market to come to this zone. This is the last one I'll just look at. So if it comes to this zone, entry, then put a stop loss few pips above it. So then wait for it to drop, if it's going to drop. Since already it's 23 minutes to London session, so I'm just expecting this market to respect this zone, drop up to this zone, and then from this zone, if it's a New York session, and this one we have divergence, then it's going to shoot up. But if we don't have that and it's on dropping, then it will continue dropping. It will not respect these ones, it will continue dropping. Let's just wait and see what's happening. But from 4-hour time frame, again, we know it's an uptrend. Or from daily time frame, we know it's an uptrend. So again, we have to trade. We have to be careful on how we are trading. So because on 1 hour time frame, this one we are trading against the trend. So that's why I'm like, we are not going to hold for so long. We just wait for it to come out of this zone and take our profit and wait for a setup on your session. Yeah, that's what I would say. If you have any question, you can just go ahead and ask.